wake up in the morning, I open my eyes. The day is quiet, the light is soft. I sit on my bed, I take a deep breath. I stretch my arms, I stretch my legs. I feel my body, I feel calm. A new day starts, I feel okay. This is my morning, my quiet morning. I wake up slow and feel the day. This is my morning, my simple morning. I take my time, I feel okay. I stand up from my bed, I walk to the window. I open the window, I see the sky. The sky is blue, the air is fresh, the sun is warm. I feel good. This is my morning, my quiet morning. I wake up slow and feel the day. This is my morning, my simple morning. I take my time, I feel okay. I go to the bathroom, I wash my face. Cold water on my skin. I brush my teeth, slow and easy, up and down. I feel awake. This is my morning, my quiet morning. I wake up slow and feel the day. This is my morning, my simple morning. I take my time, I feel okay. No rush, no noise, just this moment, just this time. I breathe in, I breathe out. I am here, I feel calm. I walk to the kitchen, I get a cup, I drink some water. I feel fresh, I make my breakfast, simple food. I eat slowly, I enjoy the taste. This is my morning, my quiet morning. I wake up slow and feel the day. This is my morning, my simple morning. I take my time, I feel okay. I take my bag, I step outside. A new day